Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x equals a negative x squared minus 2x plus 5, and we have to evaluate or find the average value of the function on the interval from negative 4 to 0. So we're going to use our formula here, our f of c, the average here, f of c. They tell us that it's 1 over b minus a, so the b value would be 0, 0 minus a negative 4 at a, from the integral from, well, a to b, so negative 4 to 0, of our function, negative x squared minus 2x plus 5 dx. Okay? And then from here, well, we need to just solve this, right? But pretty easy. 0 minus a negative 4 is plus a positive 4, so we have a 1/4 out front. Now we're going to take the integral here of negative x squared minus 2x plus 5, and we get a negative x to the third over 3 minus x squared plus a 5x. And we're integrating this from, well, 0, or negative 4, sorry, to 0. Okay? So we're integrating this from negative 4 to 0 there. Okay? And we're going to go plug them in. So we're first going to plug in 0 in for x, then the negative 4. So 1/4 stays out front here. When we plug 0 into our integral here, it just comes out to be a 0. We subtract that, and then we have to find, well, we plug in negative 4 in for x, and when I plug in negative 4 in for x for all of this, I got a negative 44 over 3. Well, we can simplify this pretty easily. We have a 1/4 here times, well, 0 minus a negative 44 over 3 is a positive 44 over 3. Multiply that out. 1/4 times a 44 over 44 over 3 is 11/3, which also equals a 3.6 repeating. And so there we have it. We found the average value of the function on our given interval, and that was an 11/3. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.